Big up Crossy Stevie.
Practice Stevie, catch your one, you know. Liquor girl, don't go over the disrespect line. Go and buy a bathing rag and a soap. I can bring the bad pan.
I met this girl at my store. I have a store in I had that store, one store in Brownsville. It was a restaurant. So I met her
Brooklyn, yeah.
right in Brooklyn. So I met her because I have a friend, he's a barber, so I always go over there and say, "What do you want to eat?" And I always do special order. Them tell me what them want to eat, and I go cook it for them.
Yes.
So, right. So I say, "What you want to them? Tell me." So when I go in, I see this girl in there laugh, 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 laugh in the store. And I come out, and he turn to her and say, "She cook good enough, and she have juice." And she come over the store, and from that she start by, and she start come at the store, come hang out. That's how I know her. But then 2013. I went to immigration for a year and I left and I lost count. One day I went to my mechanic. He's a very famous mechanic in Brooklyn, and I bring food for them. And they was eating the food, and this guy come up and the guy said, "Wow, this food look good." And the guy said, "Yeah, man." And he said to me,
The
"Go."
volume drop. Yeah, you move on.
No, I
Yeah.
didn't move. You
Okay.
hearing me now? You hearing me now?
Yes.
All right. So the guy turned to the mechanic and the guy said, the food look good. And the mechanic said, "Yeah, man, I'm eating from her a long time." And the guy turned to me and said, "Let me get 10 food, 10 fish. I'm gonna go back.
Yes.
I'm gonna go back at the store. I'm gonna cook the fish. I'm gonna carry it go to East New York. When my carry it go to East New York, I'm gonna give it to him and everything. And he pay me, and I think he got give me $40 tip. And when he pay me, I'm looking at the house, and I said to him, I said, "This house look familiar. Whose house is this?" And him say, "Akim." I said, "Oh my God,
Hold
I know
on there.
her."
The man said them now here, so go to YouTube, like the volume, let's drop on it. All right, Facebook, could I hear?
So for your type, if you're here,
All right. Can I hear Facebook? All right. Go on talk now.
them are here.
Facebook, when I hear Facebook say yeah, no problem. So that's YouTube.
All
But go
right,
on talk.
all right. So them say yes, them say yes. So okay. So when she come so when I went there and I said, "This house look familiar. Whose house who live here?" Them said, yeah, yeah, Sheena. Them say them say Kim. I said, "Oh my God, I know her." And I waited for her. She went to for her son. And from that, me and her cool and everything. She come on my shop at night time when the man run away, gone left for her and take up in book bag and gone with the next woman. She come on my shop, come cry upon my dining table with the customer them eat pan till 2 o'clock in the morning. Okay, that's
So
what.
that would have been Kim?
That's the same ants body Kim. The one with our foot them small and she have ants. She's the same one.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I saw you know Kim
That's
now. So what
how I
Kim
met
have
her.
to do with the whole toughest situation now?
I'm going down the line if you just wait.
All right, take your time. Go on talk.
Okay, so when as I met her, anyway, me and her travel. We go Vegas. We travel. We do things. We eat out. Everything good. So after that, me and her was good. Me and her was straight. All right. This girl right up on the live right now, we name Sapphire Jackson. Pandemic coming in, she take up Kim and she take Kim go a dance and Kim know everybody in the Jamaican community, mix up everybody in the Jamaican community, passa. I tell her, I said to her, I said, "Listen to me. You're in the Jamaican community. I'm in America for over 30 years and I don't want to be in it. So once you start to go to the party at night, just leave me out of it. I'm gonna give you a break." I gave her a break. All right. So then
Yeah.
after me give her a break and everything, she come back and say, "No, me no." I said, "No, me no have problem." And she start come back around me. Right? That good. Finally, at the end now, you I'm moving to Florida. I'm living a better life. And I moved from Florida because I didn't want to be with these people in New York. Or they're too toxic, they're too bad mind, and them too wicked.
Say you do a little start over in a one around them bad minded people there.
Don't know nobody in Naples, Florida, where I'm going.
Great.
Look for the richest place in Florida if you go live. Naples, Florida.
Oh yeah, money plays
Where
that.
pay money people there.
Correct.
Pack up my truck with all my stuff, buy brand new furniture from California, everything, put everything on the truck. It cost me $12,000 to bring the truck down here with everything, a trailer, with everything. Moved down to Florida. Before I
Wait,
moved to Florida, I said to her,
1 second there. California, you buy the furniture them.
everything ordered from California come brand new in a box and got Florida brand new.
I know them so now that place where the celebrity them all have the movie star them, you see them who them sell furniture.
Yes,
No.
and the chandelier I buy for the house, Donald Trump buy all him furniture, him
I know
chandelier
the
them there.
furniture, man. Them have the nice white little couch them and thing,
And
and I'm sure the celebrity them will buy from them.
Donald Trump buy when we go in there and I order him say Donald Trump take 2 of that and 2 of that and 2 of that.
I know
Me never take what me
exactly.
never take what Donald Trump take. Me take something different. Right?
Yes.
Okay. So before me leave New York, I said to her, I said, come on, I'm leaving New York. Here what you do for me? She said, what? I said, going up East New York, go get an empty store in there. I'll pay for the store. And me you run the business, buy some here and everything. And me leave, go to Florida. Me come up every month, come check the stock and we share the money. She said, yeah. She don't want no internet, she want to depend and walk and fuck. That's all what she want to do.
Kim that.
Kim. Because she fuck everybody in a dance hall. Everybody pan her. Up your man work. The worker when the man have a sell the $5 crack. She fuck the worker.
The worker.
Brandon have a worker. Where sell the $5 and the $10 crack and to crack it, and the worker sell it when in the house. She fuck the work. When me asked her why she fuck the worker, she said the worker was telling her about all the cracket them with the man fuck. That's why she fuck the worker. That's what she tell me.
Jaja.
And me turn to her and say to her, say, that means that you could have catch AIDS just to get news about your man.
So she have her man and everything and the watch.
The worker. And the worker got Queens in a hotel. And the worker buy her one cologne, one $50 cologne, and she take down God. Oh God, he bought me a cologne. Oh God, he bought me a cologne. Sapphire Jackson up on the live and knows everything what me I say are true. East New York people them that. All right. When we go back.
Okay.
All right. Me go back now. When we go to Florida.
The volume gone on a little again.
Now hear me now?
Yeah, man, we are area, but it just gone. But what area?
Phone I give a problem, it look like. So when I went to Florida now, me done with her. Me not deal with her. One day, me and my house, me just come home from the store. Me I build the store, me just come home. When I come home, me I talk to this girl at Jamaica on the phone. Me and her did a bug out and a laugh. When me look, I think I was on this phone, my Florida phone. I think my New York phone ring. And me turn to her and say to her, I say, hold on. One strange number call me one New York number. Let me say, oh, this, hold on. And me say, don't say nothing. And me go up on the phone here. And me say, hello. And the person say, Ann. And me say, oh, this. And me say, Brandon. Me say, with the blood clot, you call my phone for Brandon. Brandon, dirty, nasty, drunk, you call my phone for. No. Calm down. Me say, what happened? Him say, Lord God, must be about 20 people there in Brooklyn. Them all kill Kim. Them gang up on Kim and the only person can save Kim are you. Because the people them know you.
Yes.
And the people them know you. And if you just tell the people to back off, the people them will back off. Same time, that's why I'm telling the people. You see, sometimes when you have no instinct, and somebody come to you and tell you something, and tap them up with something. Same time, I look at the girl at Jamaica, I tell her, say, me not get involved in it.
That's how who that? Toffee?
No, you're mad. Me not call the people them name.
Okay.
Yeah, Jamaica, I tell her, so me not get involved. And she turned to me and said to me, say, but remember, Yan Kim did good, and Yan Kim used to do this and used to do that. And I say, all right. Bam. The man called her and she called me. Here when she said to me, God, I know so you love up to me because you didn't want me. Me said them should have killed you. Anyway, she make up one heap of lie story and tell me what Sapphire say, and what Sheena say, and what dog say, and what pussy and the rat say. Me now, never really go around and wait and weigh the thing. Me just use my emotion to close my judgment. And me jump on live I me cuss all the people them. We never trouble me yet. I me cuss out the people them and me call the people them name
I
check.
just get tonight and you hear the sitting them and you just start
I'm
jumping on yourself and you just hear two things and you just jump on the
me
live.
just jump on it. I'm live and no, but somebody
Understandable.
no, but somebody something that they kind of have a little itch to it because when we did there in Miami at the party, when I call her, I said to her, I said, tell me never have no rent a car. I said, tell Sapphire to come pick me up. She said, Sapphire, she's not picking me up. I must go away. So me have a Sapphire for all of them things there. So when she tell me what Sapphire, so me just add on to it now. Me just listen, me just add on what did she tell me before and just make it become a mountain now. And me just go up on live and me cuss out Sapphire, cuss out Sheena and cuss them out and blah, blah, blah. Now me cuss them out, she can't go at no party. Because the girl I'm going to kick her up in a party.
Yes.
So every time now she call me, she say party I keep. Me I come to New York. I buy my own a ticket come to New York. And I pay my own a hotel. And me and I roll going to a party. The last time in a party, me say Sheena come in there. Me say Sapphire come in there. And me in there. When me look, me see her man I go up in a Tamika face. And me go and she come to me at the door. Me have witness. She walk to me at the door and she said to me, say, Ann, Brandon I go up in a Tamika them face. And I want you to talk to him. I go over there and say, Brandon, let me tell you something tonight. You go up in a Tamika them face. And anyhow you go there and them come upon you and them stab you up, me nah pull no gun for you. I saw me say to him, I say me nah do nothing for you. Right? So
Yeah.
in back and it done. In back and it done. That go on and everything done and everything and done and everything done and the live done and she take a next live. Me tell her don't take next live and everything. So all right, that all of that done now. So
Try to make it hear you too.
yeah, here.
Yeah, me I hear. That's the YouTube people. You know, but Facebook I hear good. That's what I try to get the name. I'm gonna try to get an extra speaker. Yeah, man, what I
That
hear
means
though?
that on my
One time.
phone then, on my phone.
No man, I hear
Okay.
phone. We I hear that's the volume over here, so me that try. But what I hear good
All
man.
right, now, Shanti. I move go to Florida. Remember, you know, Shanti. Me spend over $40,000 buy furniture. Brand new furniture.
Yes.
Right? Cause we add it up. $40,000 buy furniture. We carry down everything go down there. And everything. I think yeah, me drive.
Next 12 grand
Me
that.
drive down my truck and everything, right? When I go down there, Ashanti, hold on, let me see something in a dating. Let me see. Let me save my seat. Okay, let me save my seat. All photos. Okay, let me look at my find what. When I go down there now, Ashanti, I open one restaurant down there.
Yes.
I open one restaurant. May I show you the restaurant paper? Me look and show you. Me go black out the address.
Yeah, make sure it black out. Share the
Okay.
live people. YouTube up and running. You know hear better YouTube. I try. Me save my car. 1 second. Me save my car. Extra.
She just me say, remember, at the baby, at the kids them me I do it for. And I have not to do it, at the kids them me I do it for. I go back to send her about the next $50. I kind of ease off of the sending money because I realize that every minute she a call. It goes as far as she call me and tell me, say, she go as
Can't take this
far,
call, yeah.
she go as far as tell me, say, see and the baby get gunshot glaze and me must send money for the medication. I tell her, I said, send the prescription home, give me full the medication. I not hear back from that, I not hear about that. She keep on a call me and a bar me and I tell me to send her money every minute, every minute. I tell her, I said, she said she pick me to do something up on field trip. I said, tough you. Right now, me I take care of business. I don't have no money to send go get me to take out the business. She said, if you can't get the money borrow, till me send it back. I said, tough, go ahead, go borrow it. When she borrow it, me don't send it back again. I mean, intentionally did not send it back again. Because me know she a pussy boy. Me not send it back again. Christmas time come, she call me. Say she don't have no food for Christmas. I have my friend down at TG Tivoli Garden. Me I send she money. I go to Western Union. Me send she a money and me send Tuffy $100. Tuffy take the $100, which she did take it. Whenever my money or a pound of money, she take it and she buy oxtail and chicken. And she cook it Christmas morning. And go up on her page, go look. When she go up on her page, when she cook it, Tuffy carry 2 plates, go downtown, go get 2 madman will lay down on the plate side. When you go look on the live, and when she go lay down on it, when she go up on the live, she say, and she give the people, she hand the people them food, me see it, everybody up on the live, see hand the people them food, and she say, this food is from Miss Hope in New York, and I just asking you, she's blessing Uno today, and give her a blessing, and the people man them say blessing, and she said, may her basket never empty. May this lady basket never empty. And the people them take the food, and me ask Tuffy a what? She said oxtail and chicken. Me say it look good, and the people, a madman, I eat the food. And me feel good if you know, so me bless the 2 madman them. Me send money go to Jamaica get Tuffy, and me tell Tuffy if he get Sloan the money out there. So what she name Sloan, or what she want name Sloane. She brings Sloan upon the live, come cuss rampage up, Sloan talk some something. Me nearly piss up myself. Your father fuck your mother and all type of something. She come call. And me laugh. Me say, when me send you this $100, give Sloan 5,000 Jamaican out of it. She not give Sloan. She tell me say her father have cancer. And he get medication every week or every month. He take medication. Me send $50 go give her for the father not get it. Me start pick up them things about there now, people. So
All
tell
right, now. Good now, my ear nice and clear now. Up and running now. Go ahead now. Continue now.
so you see these things what she do, when she not get Sloan the money, when she not give her father the money, and when she keep on coming for money every minute, me realize say,
What
okay,
on there? Say you give her money for salon too.
yes,
All right, she teach salon money too.
yeah,
Where the bongo?
me give her $50 for her father, the father don't get it. Hold on. So when me realize say, when she realize say she had to take out her breast and I put the baby on the breast and look like she had juke the baby at baby side and the baby a ball out every minute, a ball out when she called me for me see it. Me call,
Oh,
me pick up the rate long time. Me call
real
Dan.
scammer.
Yeah, me call Dan and me say, Dan, you know what Tuffy I do? Tuffy, I make the baby, I suck the breast and I juke the baby. And then, you know what she do? And one next time, she come with the baby without no pampers. And she say, baby, I no pampers. Put on. Me call,
Tough, you're wicked now.
me the kind
When
of,
you lie, say baby get shot, you're wicked.
so me stop run it. Me remember me stop run now, boss. Me stop run up and down now and give her money. Me see her say, she a wicked, so me stop it. All right. After me give her the money Christmas, me no give her no more money. Christmas is the last time I send money go give her.
So, by Christmas, that how much money you give her so far? Cause true, me that want, me never did that here.
By Christmas, let me tell you, 50, 50, 50, 100,
About
100.
250 that, 350 that.
No, Tuffy get about 50, 50. Tuffy get maybe about 400 out of me.
Yeah,
That's all Tuffy get out of me.
Jaja.
That's all she get different from the box. The box,
I know so while she do that during Christmas and I come up like now the January. She run the next camp on Facebook, you know. I use same Saloni and I get money off of Saloni because our next 2 other people Saloni still not get the money yet. And she let Saloni alive and Auntie Dana over here and Saloni do all type of foolish and I send police to the woman yard. And I she they set up all of that to try make money.
so,
So while she had do that same time. That girl I never give up, never stop.
so
Tough
when
need
me,
for go prison.
so when me realize now, say, oh, I can't, she can me. Me pick up the root, me say, all right, watch me and her. I go and can her back because me's a canner too. Me go can her back.
Yes.
So when she called me and tell me, say, look, boy, if I go a field trip, and me tell her, me not have no money. Me I do my business right now. Me I do the store. Me not have no money. She said she can't get it borrow. Me tell her, if I go borrow it, and me not pay it back. Cause me I can her back now. Me tell her, go borrow it.
Alright.
She said she go borrow it. And when she called me with the girl on the line. And when she called me with the girl on the line, me tell the girl, so me soon send it, man. And me hang up and me say, pussy. Me not send it.
Good car.
Good, cause you know say she never borrow money. She just use a girl on the line. That's how she works. So for a
She
scammer,
come
man.
with the
Never
girl.
borrow nothing.
She come with the girl and the girl say, yeah, Tuffy, woman money. And me say, all right, girlfriend. Me say, all right, girlfriend, me get back to you. Me come off when me come off of the call, me say, Tuffy, keep on wait. You and the girl they wait for the money. Anyway, when you hear me tell her, I say, Tuffy get much out of me, must be about $400. 400 US only. And she get 150. Listen, she get 150% in the box. Look here. The clothes them go down almost about 500. So I write it down. 500 with a clothes. About 500 with a clothes me send. Cause everything on here, polo shoes and something.
Yeah,
Some of them are
I'm
24.
gonna show them while you talk to.
Some of them are $24 for one. Some of them are $19 a pieces. So me send all of them. So that's what she get out of me. So when me realize that she can me now, me plan to can her back. You remember Facebook people and Instagram people should not cost nobody for me. You remember this? So me see Kim come on today and I come talk about Hope was using Tuffy. God Almighty, what wrong with the antibody girl there? What wrong with she? Come I'll get to she next. So
Yes.
when
Some of the things them, yeah.
yeah. Tuffy, you see the pretty sneakers? The Adidas?
Yeah, me.
Tuffy
Yeah, that one, yeah.
Tuffy says she wait go downtown and when she wait go downtown people them say where you get that from a most foreign.
Chacha. So not foreign.
That of your son. The son Avani, I think that's his son Avani, the sneakers there with the black Adidas. So me send on the Adidas shirt when they go meet Bob Marley daughter up a Hope Road. And my clothes little boy Avani. But little boy me
When
not have nothing
Tuffy
yet.
go up there and go up at the funeral, Tuffy collect money for your mother granny funeral or get buried about 10 times. Them give her $100,000. Tuffy a thief and scammer. Go up there with the fake paper. Continue.
So December now, me start canal. So let me tell you now when. Wait no. Me
Scammer
come
not like get con, the worst thing that you can do to a scammer.
right. So me canal now and she realize. So look now. You see from January, every time
Yes.
you have all the receipt them. Every time she call me put it on no disturb something. Me have must be about 50 missed call from Tuffy. No, me put it on no disturb. I don't want to talk to her. You have a bite note where she call me and say, oh, I don't know, and I beg me, I call if I beg you, and the baby get shot. And when she tell me say the baby get shot, me say,
The liar.
no, she wake me up 7 o'clock in the morning and she say, when me not answer, she send the voice note and when she wake me up, me say to her, she say, me and the baby get shot. Me say, Tuffy, me ask a blood clot something. Me's a police or a doctor. Why you call me first in the man to tell me that? Go tell the police and go at the hospital. She said, me go to hospital already. And me want money for buy the prescription. Me say, Tuffy, how much are the prescription?
Tuffy wicked, you know.
Me say,
On
how much
her
are the,
own
me
baby.
say, how much are the prescription?
Chacha.
Me say, how much are the prescription? She said, $30,000. Me say, send me the prescription, make me fill it and DHL it back to you. Me not get it all now.
Yes.
Me not get it back.
Tuffy a lie.
That January, February, me no hard with me. Tuffy. She said she want to know how me I work hard. So me say every time she call me, me say, what is it? I work me, I work, and I chicken me a jerk. Tuffy, stop calling me, make me call you. Stop calling me. Me we call you.
Yes.
Okay? All right. She afraid to call me. She talk, she tell Uku. She say, Uku, she do me bad. All a man tell me call her. She say, Tuffy, you beard and brush your teeth yet? She tell Uku everything.
Bumbo
She
cleat.
tell Uku everything.
That Tuffy a mouth corner always whitey, you know. Me I tell her that. Me know her in a real person. Pure whitey sitting and bumpy. Tuffy face I like greater.
Me say she tell Uku. She say, Uku, me shame sometimes me call her. Right? So last week now, guess what happened? Last week, Sunday, or a week before, me remember, me in the hotel asleep. And when me asleep,
Yes.
I think I ate something. I think I
Yeah.
8:30 or something. My phone I ring off, Instagram I ring off. Me say me go class up that person where nobody can disrespect me and call my phone when me asleep. So me say me go class up that person now. When me look,
Ah,
me see
oh.
a Tuffy.
Chacha.
So me I go up, me I go up on her now. So me answer. Me say, Tuffy, what is it? She said, Uku is on the phone. Me say, Uku, let me tell you something. Don't follow Tuffy and call me out of my bed and wake me up early in the morning. She said, no
Yes.
me. She said, no, me a toughie call me.
A toughie, man.
A toughie call me. Me say, all right, Uku, you're good. Just don't follow her. Me say, what happened, toughie? Who up? You know the answer by the girl when him Kim block me? Uku depend it.
Yeah.
Uku know. She said, you know the girl Kim block me? Me I go rub her out now. Ask Uku if me answer. Me turn to Uku and me say, Uku, she not about nobody. She come off of the live and she go up on Facebook and she start the live. People, come on. Start the live. People, come on. Yeah, may I tell you, Kim make my blood clot tell you something. When I go look for the live. Kim make my blood clot tell you something. You're a 40-year-old Kim, but you have a 14-year-old blood clot brains in your head. When I go look for the live last week Sunday morning. Kim make me tell you something. You're a 40-year-old and you have a 14-year-old brains in your head. Everybody can blood clot program your Kim. A one man should make program in your blood clot man Kim. Kim make me tell you something. And it look like one text come in.